Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the 0xC000021A error on Windows 11. This is a blue screen error that can look scary. Your PC restarts and shows a message saying it ran into a problem. Don't worry, I'll guide you through how to fix it step by step. First, let us understand what this error means. This error happens when Windows detects a critical system process that stopped working, such as winlogon.exe or CSREC, often after updates, driver issues, or corrupted system files. The first step is starting your computer in safe mode. If you're stuck in a restart loop, shut down your PC by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Turn it on again and hold the power button when you see the Windows logo. Repeat this 3 times to open the automatic repair screen. Click Advanced Options, then Troubleshoot, and then Advanced Options again. Choose Startup Settings and click Restart. After restarting, press number 4 to boot into safe mode. Once in safe mode, we can fix what's causing the issue. Open File Explorer and check for recently installed software or updates. If you find any, uninstall them. Press Windows plus I, go to Apps, install the apps, and remove anything suspicious. Next, we still use the System File Checker. Click Start, search for CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Type SFC/scanout and press Enter to scan and repair system files. This may take a few minutes. When it finishes, restart your computer and check if the error is fixed. If the issue continues, we will use the DISM tool. Open Command Prompt as Administrator and type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter and wait for the process to complete. This repairs Windows components and downloads missing files. Restart your PC when it's done. If the error still appears, it may be caused by a faulty driver, usually graphics or antivirus related. Boot into safe mode again, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, uninstall your graphics driver. Restart your computer and Windows will reinstall a clean driver automatically. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem. Following them prevents reinstalling Windows or losing data. If this video helped, like and subscribe, and comment if one of these steps worked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.